I don't think we've met. My name's Alex.
You should choose between me or your business.
You know I love you.
I have it all on tape. The whole world's gonna know about this unless you pay me up with the money I want. I want $2 million. Do you understand me?
Anytime you need us, just give us a call. It's just another chapter in my book. The client loved the job you did the other day. I got one more job for you, my friend. It's just 250 G's. I need you to do this last job. It's real quick, easy, in and out. You got no problem.